Hello, what are you guys again? My handsome and beautiful subscribers. Okay, oh my god, this is expensive. Okay, so, hello, guys. Today, I'm gonna take a look at this new event, okay? Subway Surfers. So, you have to, click through and run. Yeah, so I'll try speed run this, but let's have a look at the season, shall we? Let's do that. And yeah, you can get these from season hunts. One of the ones in the tree. Oh yeah, Lawrence, Snowballer. Okay, yeah, I get these. Okay, so let's go. There's a lot of skins here that I haven't unlocked. What the fuck is this? I don't know why is there a gift there. Okay, these. But what I'm really gonna do is I'm going to where is it? Wait, where is the little thing? Oh my god, I think I'm lost. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy these. Well, completed this. Oh, I still need a few more. Okay. Not too big of a problem. Okay. One more. I still need 2 more cookies. Which is getting this. Okay, what are the percentages? 23%. I've a bit of a low opportunity. But yeah. So, first of all, the cookies are collected. And next of all, oh my. I just realized it only gives me 5 tokens, so I'm still gonna buy it. Okay, so that's my 2. I got 2. I need yes, I can watch an ad to get 4, double the price. It's also a pretty easy one. Let me just play the game. Okay. Now, okay. Yesterday I got a little bit of a delay there in this update because for some reason I can't update it. Okay. And I think this is the jingle bells, where you get the jingle bells. So, yeah. So, which one should we go? I think I will start with the run. So, I'll just start with the run now. Okay, so okay, so today fun fact, y'all don't need watch me doing this, so yeah. Oh yeah, I got this thing at this new board, and yesterday, since I missed a day, I need to do this. Yeah, so okay, so this Winter Wonderland thing, do it in that layer, and also this season's pretty cool. So yeah, goodbye guys.